Welcome to Virtual Pools. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Virtual Pools lead generation plugin to your custom HTML website. It only takes a couple of minutes, and I'll walk you through every step, from copying your unique code to embedding it on your site. Let's get started. First, log into your Virtual Pools dashboard. Go to the Customer section and click on Lead Generator. Then, create a new lead generation tool. Select Embed on Site and choose your preferred language from the menu. Copy the provided link or code. Finally, open your core editor. Find where you want the lead generator to appear on your website. Paste the lead generator link you copied into your HTML code. For the best experience, be sure to enable camera access so visitors can take photos directly. Add this permission to your iframe. Allow camera. Once you've made the changes, save your project and refresh your website. You'll see your lead generator appear live on the website. And that's it. Your Virtual Pools lead generation tool is now live on your custom HTML website, ready to capture new pool design leads. If you ran into any issues, feel free to reach out to our support team. For more guides, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.